YouTube channels. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
What are you doing today?
We're gonna eat a...
What's that? What did you order?
I ordered some seaweed and sushi.
Seaweed and sushi?
Yes.
Let's open it?
Yes.
Alright, I'll help you, okay? This is Mommy Knee Eyes. And this is...
Baby eyes.
Alright, so today, what are we gonna do?
Open the small sushi and big sushi.
Alright, so we got a sushi from the Sushi Bakery. So ito siya. This is yung presentation niya. So what's this, Bobby? It's called Roasted Seasoned Korean Seaweed. There you go. So we'll put it aside first.
So this one, baby, is chili. So this one, I think we ordered...
That's not spicy.
Yeah, this one is not spicy. And this one is a little bit spicy. So I think we ordered...
This one is a little bit not spicy and this is not a little bit spicy.
Okay. Okay, so... What are we gonna open first? This one or this one?
This one.
This one, okay.
And this one is sushi.
Sushi.
Now let's open this.
Let's open it. Ooh, look at that. That is so cute.
It's so spicy.
No, that's not even the spicy one yet. This is the spicy one.
This is wet.
So, ano nga yung in-order natin? I forgot na tuloy. I think this one is called canny. So, it's a combination of crab and salmon. So, and then this one is, ano nga to, Bobby?
Chili. Thank you to Sushi Bakery. Thumbs up. I have a small one and a big one.
Oh, wow. Is that what you ordered?
Yes.
Okay.
The people made it.
The girl?
Yes.
Okay.
This is spicy.
So this, oh, it's so cute. So this one is yung, ano, tingnan niyo. So, super cute. The Sushi Bakery.
Yes.
You can follow them in their social media. Instagram is at the Sushi Bakery and Facebook is the Sushi Bakery. And they have their contact number as well. That is so cute. It's Mr. Sushi. Look. Do you like that? Look.
It's a sushi.
What color is that, Sushi?
Green and orange and black.
Green, orange, and black. Alright, are you ready? You want to open it with me?
Yes.
Are you ready? And 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Wow, that looks yummy. And then, ito kay daddy niya. So, umorder din kami. Kay daddy ni Ice.
It's spicy.
Which one is spicy?
This.
That's not spicy. We'll give it a try. And ito yung spicy baby, oh. Really
This
not
is green
spicy.
one, this is orange.
So, let's see. Here we go. And also, thank you din sa mommy nung nag-deliver. Dito kasi binigyan din kami ng freebies. Ay, teka. Ito pala, so, kasama na yung, seaweed. Kasama na dun sa in-order namin.
Seaweed. I like this
Yeah, so we're gonna have the seaweed as well. Tapos, may freebies din kami. Bigay daw ni mami niya. Let's have a look what this one is. You wanna open it for me, Bobby?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
What is it? Surprise! Ooh, yummy!
Lemon is sour.
It's palabok.
Palabok.
Palabok. Say it, palabok. You like that? Green onion. You like that? Eat the green onion. Gulay. Gulay, green onion. Don't put it back. Just eat it. Good, with eggs.
Yummy! So we'll eat that one.
The sushi. Sushi bake.
Get a tissue. Kinain yung onion. Okay, so are you ready? That looks super yummy.
I don't like green onion.
No? Okay.
One, go!
Alright. Okay, so we're just gonna get a spoon first. Excuse me!
Okay, mommy.
Oh no, I'll just get it from here. Ouchie. So how are we gonna eat this one? You're able to get it from there. Okay, are you ready now to do like a food challenge?
Yes! I want to get a bite to mommy.
Hmm?
I want to eat this to mommy.
You wanna eat that? Okay, we'll eat here.
This is one for you and one for me. This one for you and one for me.
Okay, this is your plate. And this
Thank
one is for
you.
You're welcome.
Did you get four? We got 5 series. We got 7 series.
That's 7 seaweeds. Okay. So I'll open for you. It's a roasted seasoned Korean seaweed. Original flavor.
This one is for me and this one is for you.
So we can share this one first. We want to share that first. So put it in here. One by one. So 1,
2.
2 lang. Sige, 2 muna. 3. Alright. 1, 2, and 3.
And then you put it in here.
Yummy!
Tama bang ginagawa ko? Oh, Bobby. Give this a try. Ready? 1, 2. How is it?
Good.
Is it good? Do you love it? She loves it now. It's a thumbs up for baby eyes. I'll give it a try. That is so yummy.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
More for baby.
Baby.
It has a bit of kick of chilliness. Pero okay lang. Look, like naman ni baby eyes. Really good.
Yeah.
You love it?
You try it.
I'll try it.
Yeah.
Why don't you try it again? Yummy! Thumbs up daw po, tita! She loves it! You like it? Good!
How was it? Veggie dough.
Veggie dough. I'll try this one, the spicy tuna.
Is it sweet sour?
Mm,
It's a little bit sweet sour.
it's not sour, it's yummy.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
And rice.
And rice. I also tried this one.
Rice.
Yeah. I think this one is the spicy tuna. So this is not for babies. Because that's a bit spicy. Which one is sweet? I'll try.
This is for you, Mommy.
Thank you for sharing.
Okay, I will. Here you go.
That's only.
It's easy.
It's easy.
Yeah.
I'll just wash my hands.
Yummy. Bye, guys. Bye. Thumbs up. Mmm. Mmm. Good.
You want some more?
Yeah. Mm.
You hold that?
Yeah.
And you say thank you, the Sushi Bakery.
Thank you, the Sushi Bakery. Bye, guys. Oh.
This is a video. What can you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
You love it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Bobby. Good. Sushi girl.
Yeah.
Again. In 1, 2, and yummy.
They like lobster. I like lobster.
Okay, I'm gonna say bye now.
Bye.
Move closer.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Sorry.
Thank you, the Sushi Bakery. Bye, guys.